Police arrive at a Circle K gas station after the manager learns his highest earning cashier is also stealing from him. Utilizing a new tracking system, he's only been able to backtrack the last few days, but has already witnessed her take $60 using a little cash register trick. But what her trick didn't save her from were the cameras, which caught every movement she made.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Yes, sir.
Get a call?
She called.
Okay.
So you know, we tried. We were getting short like almost every day. So we tried to see a track on it. So yesterday we found an employee taking money from the register.
Okay. Is the employee still employed by y'all?
Yes. So she's still working. We didn't inform anything to her. So she coming back tomorrow at 3.
Okay.
But like my managers and everybody, they're coming at 9. So like, you know, we can do at 9. And by the time we're gonna have like a detailed report of total money, how much she took.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got camera footage of her taking the money?
Yeah. So this is the thing. She's the one. So what she did, she tried to buy a pack of cigarettes. So she put like a $2 inside. So she took the 20s out of it.
Thank you.
Okay.
And after that, what she did, she made a drop. But she didn't put it in the safe.
Did you ever,
She didn't put it in the safe. She just made a drop. So our report, the Z-tape balanced out, but the actual safe money didn't balance out because she didn't put it in. She took it herself. Okay, so let me do the play. So she's the one. So she's gonna like, you know, say.
so what do I need to do with them?
Well, that's pick them up.
Okay.
You just put them in another place.
She tried to buy a pack
Oh,
of
so you already
cigarettes,
did what you needed to do?
and she got like.
Oh, okay.
I did all that.
So they are the ones I can see, 2 ones, okay? She put it in, and she took like 20s. They're all 20s. She took it. And with the pack of cigarette, she gonna put it in her wallet right there, the purse. I can show you on the other camera.
Yes. That'd be great. How much money did she take that time?
So this time yesterday, she took $60, 3 20s.
$60.
Okay, but like we've been coming like almost like, you know, this is on 7th, 60, sometime like 200, 400, 700 like that. So we have to see the match the drop and the actual things. Put it in the purse with the savers. She did so smartly, he was there. So the way she did, trying to put on the big bill slot, but then move to the dollar slot and then taking the money from there. Taking like, showing like she
7:53 a.m.
Yes. She made a drop at 7:56 for 200. So we didn't find that drop in the safe. So like, you know, the Z tape on the register is showing this much actual cash was dropped, but on the safe it was showing 28.82, so 200 was short.
Okay.
On the drop wise. But when we did our total paperwork, we were short $60. Oh, so like, you know, we were tracking. So what we did, we got a call from the company because, you know, they do the paperwork, right? So when we got a call saying where the money is, so what we did, we started tracking from day before yesterday. So after 3 days, we found this. Okay. So now we have to go through this each day and see. So by today we're gonna go through, and tomorrow we have like a total exact with the cameras.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
So you'll be here tomorrow same time. Okay. Around 9.
Okay. Okay. Might. Let me call somebody.
Okay.
See if we can I'm trying to see if they want to do this particular incident since we see her stealing money from yesterday, and do that. You guys want to press charges?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do that particular charge and have the rest of the incidents followed up with our detectives.
Okay.
Just because you guys sit here for a while and watch it. So I'm gonna call my supervisor and see how he wants to go about this. Okay. And how long has this been going on for?
So they just reported us, because usually they do the paperwork. So we started tracking from this month.
This month only.
December.
That's from December too.
Yeah, December.
Okay. So all December, like almost every day she was working.
Yeah.
The officer calls his sergeant, hoping to get a warrant to surprise a woman when she least expects it.
Hey, Sergeant. So what they got here is they got a video from yesterday of this lady taking $60, ringing up cigarettes, put $2 in the register, took $60, and she put the money in her purse. Now they have a whole laundry list of other incidents where they're coming up short because they just notified they came up short for the last month or so, and it's every day she's working. They only have this video right now of yesterday. They're gonna, I think, reconvene around 9 o'clock to look at all these other incidents tomorrow at 9 a.m. So what I was thinking, what would be appropriate is doing this incident now, sign warrants for this one charge from yesterday, and following up the rest of the incidents with CID. Sound good? Okay, sounds good. So I'll get her info and sign warrants on this charge and go about it. Let CID know. Let me zoom in on the register. Yes. I'm sure it's 320s. Did she even put the $2 in the register? Yeah.
Yes.
Rang it up, put $2 in, took 60 out.
So she ringed cigarette, okay, and she had $2 bills. She tried to put it in $100 slot, and she slide it to the $1 slot and took the 20s.
Okay.
The next day, officers sneak up on the cashier during her smoke break, and her reaction, well, here it is.
Hey, Miss Carrie Little. How are you doing? I'm Officer Lester Jefferson Police Department. All right. I have a warrant for your arrest, okay?
What?
Theft by taking.
What did I take?
From here.
What did I take?
Cash for register.
No, sir, I did not.
Okay, well, the judge saw fit that there's no evidence, not a warrant, so that's where we're at right now. You'll have your day in court. But right now, there's a warrant signed for your arrest. So we'll let you finish your cigarette. We're going to take you to the bus.
Y'all got to be kidding.
No, man, there's no discussion about this here or now. It's been signed. So you are going to jail today.
How much is my bond?
I don't know. We'll have to talk
That
to
would be
the judge about that or the jail staff. We have to do that part of it.
Y'all kidding me, right?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
It's got more with. We'll look at it.
I'm sorry, but
Can I
It's gone
call?
through the rest of tomorrow.
Can I call my husband?
What's that?
Can I call my husband?
Like I said, we'll let you finish it up and we'll put you in handcuffs and let you call him, okay? Yeah,
Okay, because my cell phone's in there.
that's fine.
All right. Is my car going to be all right here?
That's up to the store.
We'll
We're
ask
not going to
them.
tow it unless they want it.
Oh,
And if you thought she'd take self-accountability,
I'm not understanding this. How much money was I supposed to return? I've been here 3.5 years. This guy just took over. I've never stolen anything from him. I might have took a drink out of the cooler. I have never, ever took any cash or anything. I mean, 3.5 years I've been in this store. I mean, I don't understand. I want to get my phone, lock my car up, talk to my
Well, see,
man.
we'll do that for you, because like we said, we only people dig around and stuff after, you know, you
Can I get my phone out of there?
Well, get your phone, but you're
Talk to my boss.
handcuffs first, okay? Just go ahead and put your hands on your back.
You put your hands together like you're praying and it's a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, I need my cell phone.
You get it? Yeah.
I don't know my husband's.
That's fine. We can grab it for you.
Yeah, we're gonna grab it.
We're customer ID, that's fine.
If you thought the excuses were over, well, they're not.
Y'all wrong for this, Nick.
We're not starting all that.
I ain't, I'm just saying. Y'all wrong for this. I've been here 3 years, Miss Penny. I've been here 3 years. They are so wrong for this. It's ridiculous. I ain't never took no money from here. I ain't never took no lottery. I ain't never messed with nothing. I have
I'm gonna
to.
go pull my car around if you don't mind.
I got some Tums in my front pocket. I don't want my pockets. There's another piece.
Where at?
There's another
Some?
piece. Yeah. I just broke them in half because it's too hard to phone on top
How
of
about
it.
I put it in a pack of cigarettes?
That'll work. See, there's the receipt where I paid for something a while ago. These people's crazy as hell. I'm telling you. They ain't got nothing in there that I need. I don't know if I can get in here.
You don't think you
Dude,
can?
my knees messed up and my shoulder on that side where I was in the rig.
Just small one for this stuff?
I live right down the street from you. Oh God, I can't do that. With these cuts.
We gotta loosen up this seatbelt real quick, bud. We'll make sure he locks up and then we'll be headed on our way. I don't have any heat back there. Are you fine?
I'm fine. Do you know if this is a felony or a misdemeanor?
Misdemeanor. It's misdemeanor.
Are they saying how much money I was supposed to take?
$60.
$60. You freaking gotta be kidding me. Oh, I wanna cry, but I'm too damn mad to cry. Since he took over that store, he's done got rid of everybody in there. Yes, I'm the highest paid person there. And he's just trying to get rid of all of us. Because he's bringing in 2 of his people for what he has to pay 1 of us. That little short boy that was in there, he works his butt off. He makes $9 an hour. I wouldn't even get out of bed for that. Yeah, I got it, I think. 11, 4.
Oh, accidental.
We can use these because I'd rather be too big or too small. I need your socks and shoes, man.
Got my socks too.
I do. That's fine. Thank you.
The woman is charged with theft by taking, a misdemeanor where she unlawfully took 3 $20 bills with the intent to deprive the owner of said property. This happened in Jackson County, where maximum penalties are up to 12 months in jail, up to a $1,000 fine, and she also had the penalty of restitution where she had to pay the money back, plus any court costs. Considering the amount was so low, this is not a felony, and in order to meet felony thresholds, it would have to be her stealing at least $1,500 or more, which would have then increased the maximum sentences to 1 to 10 years in prison, as well as more expensive fines. As always, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
From here.
What did I take?
Cash for register.
No, sir, I did not.
Okay, well, the judge saw fit, and there's enough evidence, not a warrant, so that's where we're at right now. You'll have your day in court. So right now, there's a warrant signed for your arrest. So we'll let you finish your cigarette. We're going to take you to the bus.
Y'all got to be kidding.
No, man, there's no discussion about this here or now. It's been signed. So you are going to jail today.
How much is my bond?
I don't know. talk to
That'd
the
be
judge about that or the jail staff, we can do that part of it.
Y'all kidding me, right?